Hello friend, if you want to highlight some dates after the due dates, there is a shortcut formula of Microsoft Excel. As today date is 11th July and we need it when the 11th July passed, all the dates highlights. So we will go to a conditional formatting in new rule. Here we choose format cell only that contain. We will choose cell value and click on between and select greater than. Here we will use a simple formula is equal today bracket start and bracket close, and choose the format which we want to change the cell on appearing that date. We will choose here a color of cell. Here we choose a sample color and we will click OK, then again OK, and here we can see that all the dates above 11th July are highlighted. Now when we change the date, it will automatically change highlight when it cross 11th July. So when we will write below 11th July, it will clear the cell. Please subscribe channel.